Okay, so just replaced the transmission of my truck. Truck has been sitting for about 5 months. Battery ain't bad. Got a new battery, installed the new battery, and this is what it's doing. The voltage jumps up on the battery all the way to 19, pegs to 9, and then the whole gauge cluster turns off, running lights turn off, headlights turn off. I get weird static coming through the radio. The truck runs, but if I run it for a while, the battery starts to fizzle. Please help me. Truck information: 2005 Chevy Silverado 1500, base model, 5.3 V8. Thank you.